Hi, this is Jamie from Addons. This is an Elementor add-on plugin. It has a lot of free elements and extensions which are enough to create an awesome website. As it's a freemium plugin, you can download it from the WordPress plugin repo. If you want to get the pro version, then check the pricing page from our official website. Link is given below for both free and pro versions.
First, create a section. And after creating a section, we need to add an inner section for better view. Okay. Now it's time to find advanced image element. You will see advanced image element in master add-ons element library at the bottom. Just drag this and drop inside your column. This is the default look. You need to click on choose image and upload your media files, or if you have already uploaded, then just select the media. You can see an option for manage links. Just do it if you need a link on image, and I don't need it. I am just enabling hover image. When I hover my mouse, it will show a different image. So inserting the hover image and done. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm hovering and you see the changes properly. And the last part of content is ribbon. Enabling ribbon, you can change the ribbon text on your needs. And after changing the text, you have to select style and position. There are 3 styles available, so select the best one for your media file and then define the position too. Okay, let's change a new style again to show you how it looks. It's the corner style. Okay, and another option is ribbon thickness. You can increase and decrease the ribbon size from this option. That's all about the content. Let's go to settings, and from settings you can open Lightbox and change the position. If I click and you see a simple Lightbox appeared, this is how it will works. You can see the image description, the image and everything. Let's just cut it and go to the advanced image editor and enabling image preload effect. Okay, you can see a little blur effect while appearing the image. This is what. And the last attraction is tilt effect. And I'm hovering and you see the nice smooth tilt effect here. Let's update the page and I'm showing you how it looks like in reality. Let's preview. Okay, now I am hovering on this image and just enjoy the tilt effect. This is how the tilt effect works on advanced image. Okay, let's go back to our style now. From the style, you can manage the width and height of your media file, then define border radius, and you can individually set border radius too. So I'm setting 100. Okay, let's just uncheck the link and set 0, and now you can see there is a corner is 0 and everything is 100. Okay, let's just remove border radius, and then you can see the box shadow for media file, and you can do it on normal and hover mode too. And the final style is our ribbon. You can change the ribbon background color, the ribbon text color, the typography, the box shadow, everything what you need for ribbon customization. So that's all about advanced image. So I hope you got a clear idea on my explanation.
Make sure to download, install and active master add-ons from our official website or our WordPress plugin repo page. Otherwise, you can't work with our extensions and elements.